And so that concludes the session on QUBO and quantum annealing. And so I'm just going to provide some, I'll let you guys go very shortly, but I just wanted to, we conclude, this is concluding the QCP workshop. So I just wanted to thank basically all of the presenters and the organizers, so Eleanor and Brian, for their valuable time and valuable contributions to the workshop. I think it's been a really nice day. I want to thank all of the attendees for listening and actively asking questions. I think we definitely had some interesting and constructive discussions throughout the day on a variety of topics, including, I think, we had a nice lunch break discussion on quantum compilation. We had a nice discussion on gate model quantum algorithms after Ashley Montanaro's talk, and of course this discussion on QUBO and quantum annealing. So I think the goals of the workshop to kind of bring people from a quantum background and people from a non-quantum background into the same room and start some conversations have been met, which is quite nice. I want to just note that all of the recorded talks from the workshop will be made available on YouTube for future viewing whenever you'd like. All of that information I will be putting onto the QCP 2021 webpage, as well as the Slack. And the webpage and Slack also contain links to the abstract booklet and other resources that were relevant to the workshop. And so with that, there's not really much more I'd like to say, other than thanks again. And hopefully the next time I see everyone in an academic conference / workshop setting will be in person. That would be really wonderful. So thanks again to everyone for their time, and have a great rest of your week.
Thank you.